Hi friend, how are you? If you not subscribe my channel, please press the subscription button and press the bell icon for updated video on regular basis to get fast to your channel or to your access. So today's topic is most interesting and very important, related to the power sector and related to the substations and also related to the transmission and distributions. The equipment color of the substation power plant related this topic. What is the code of color? The gray color has been used as a main code of color for the equipment installed at the power plant and substations. What is the reason behind it and what is the main root cause for selection of this color? Mostly of the equipment installed at the substation, installed at the power plant and various industrial consumers end, commercial consumer ends, and also the different equipment or apparatus installed at the home that also gray in color, including for the domestic purpose the main switch is in gray in color. What is the reason behind it? The gray color has been used or has been painted on isolator box, CT box, CT, PT, circuit breaker, transformers, all the equipments installed at the substations, reactor and capacitor bank, and the different places, panels, control and relay panels, battery chargers, battery communications panels, all the related panels that has been installed in the substations all are in gray in color. What is the main root cause? First, we discussed about the distribution transformers in different colors. As per what is the reason behind it? The main reason is for the project and scheme identifications. Different schemes are there for the distributions transformers, distributions panels. So to identify the project's name or identification purpose, the different colors has been used. Somewhere you can see the yellow transformers, blue transformers, gray transformers, green transformers for the distributions, because for the different projects, RGGVY, DDUGJY, MKVSY, RDSS, the different projects name. The first one is the Rajiv Gandhi Gramin Vidyut Yojana. All these are related to different scheme and different projects. So for these projects we are using different colors. Mostly we use the light gray number 61 code color for the equipment painting. Switch gears paintings are often painted in gray color for several reasons. The reasons are the heat dissipation properties, because if the heat dissipation properties is very good, then the equipment properties or the generation of the heat will be dissipated very soon. That's why the equipment will be cooled very quickly. So the equipment longevity will be there. Protect from the overheating and the potential damage. It is also related to the dissipations is point. Maintenance and cleanness is very important parts of the equipment. If you do the cleanness and cleaning of the equipments, their surface layer will be removed, and if the surface layer will be removed, that will be very much helpful for the heat dissipations. Also it is related to the heat dissipation. Heat is the main factors. If the overheating will be there, the equipment damage will be there. So if you are cleaning the equipment's body, and the layer of the carbon deposits in the industrial area, iron ores and different types of particles of the industrial wastes are just deposited on the body of the equipments, and the layer is just on the surface. And if you clean that surface, the heat inside the transformers or inside the equipments will be evaporated or dissipated. So the equipment will be good in nature. Safety consideration, that will be related to the safety matters. uh, aesthetic or beauty related. If this color will be gray, so the beautifications will be there, because all in gray color should be looked very beautiful. And different weather and environment wear and tears. What is it? Because if the equipment quality is very good, that should sustain the different weather conditions. Very in the winter the cold, in the summers that was scorching heats, and lots of weather conditions should be just overcome by the equipment and also by the color. So the gray color is suitable for all weathers, environments and wear conditions. If any types of corrosions or industrial gases or corrosive gases are there, this gray color is very good for just protecting the deteriorations in the fastest. um, so these types of deterioration is just obstructed by the gray color. Also it is related to the cost. So the cost is main factors, because the gray color cost is very low, so it is economic to be painted on the equipment. Because in the substations lots of square feet areas are there in the transformers body, in the current transformers body, potential transformer body, isolators body, BMK, Marcelin box, drive mechanism box, different panels are there. So you have to paint lots of surfaces. So the cost will be effective, because the gray color is low in cost. Crack easily detected. If you if you painted the gray color, so the crack will be visible or detected very easily. Barred not light. What is it? The barred is the main factors of the fault. If the barred will be just do their nest on the transformers, on the CT, on the PT, on the isolators, on different area, so they can be do any types of fault, fetch to fetch fault, fetch to earth fault, different fault will be there. If we choose this gray color, because the birds is not like the gray color, so they will not go there and do their nest near the gray color painted surface. So it is very effective for the protection point of view. Keep the equipment warm during the winters and cool in the warm season. This is the main criteria that should be fulfilled by the gray color. And also the radiate maximum heat and get cooled very fast. So these all are the root cause for selections of the gray color. Nowadays we are using different colors, but we have to remember that the protection point of view and different cost effective or economic point of view, we should select the color gray. So friend, if you interested to show my video, please subscribe my channel and share my video with your friends and colleagues for just electrical knowledge. What is the main root cause? What is the main properties that should remember during the work inside the substations, and Obviously, remember the protection issue, safety issue, and maintain the safety and do your work with your friends, with your colleagues very attentively. Okay, friend, thank you very much for watching my video.